Hello guys, my name is Quentin for Quentin Speaker on the Pacific Channel, and in this video we will make a comparison test between the Sony srs-xb100 versus the JBL Go 4. So which one is better and will have more bass? Let's find out. Let's talk about specs. Here we have the Sony srs-xb100, the Sony one. The Bluetooth speakers, they will have 16 hours of playtime. They have 2.5 watts of powers. They will have one movers. They will have one passive radiators over here, but that goes hiding somewhere. So there are 3 holes down in passive radiators. Let's look at the power button. If you hold it the Bluetooth button, they will get twins collection. They will have microphone. This one is play at bounce or answer the call or reject the call. The button minus and the button plus for the volume. Next one in here, they have some USB-C for charging time. This one we will handle in, and this is the logo over here. And the next one is the JBL Go 4. They have 7 hours of playtime. That comes from 1 passive radiators and one mini woofers over here. They have 7 hours of playtime. They have 4.2 watts of powers RMS. They have our gas button, the power button, the Bluetooth button, the button minus, the button play pause, and the button plus. So yep, that comes from USB-C for charging time. So the Sony survived the longest, but with the weakest one, this one is the strongest bass. So let's find out. Let's make a let's test. Let's start with the Sony srs-xb100, the JBL Go 4. Let's start with the Sony.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always get what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend of me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe it, because it's everything.
JBL Go 4 type. JBL Go 4.
Some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Sony.
No, I'm never turning back. Fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting back, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong. You will never see me crash. And if you get in my way, you gonna get the rest. Gotta say it to my face. Got the math when I hit, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm a martyr. When I feel like this, I'm a martyr.
So I think the clip has more bass. So the Clipper Go 4 have the loudest one, but with the Sony one have little bassier than the Clipper, but the Clipper have more bass than the Sony one. Now the bass test 2. Let's start with the Clipper. Let's start with the Clipper Go 4. And the final one, let's go to the Sony srs-xb100. So yep, the Clipper Go 4 have more bass than the Sony srs-xb100. Now let's go to the Sony now. But at the beginning, they would have the fast pitch. Let's wait for the bass drop. Get set. Now. So yep, the Sony srs-xb100 have the weakest bass ever done, but it starts from 60 Hz or 50 Hz. That will cost from the Sony one, but the Clipper one. But the Clipper one is more better, but the red lights are from no batteries over here. So yep, that's okay about that. I get different to tell you that the Sony srs-xb100 have the best battery play time. The best even more more than 10 hours of playtime. That's 16 hours of playtime. But with the Clipper Go 4 have only 7 hours of playtime. But I can definitely tell you that the Clipper Go 4 have more basic than the Sony srs-xb100. Yep. So yep. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Quentin Speaker the best channel and stay tuned for more sound test and the pace test. Anyways, next comparison is the GetUS 1612 versus the White Tucker L. Anyways, bye guys.